Guanyin protects the unfortunate, the sick, the disabled, the poor, and those in trouble. She has vowed never to rest until all sentient beings are free from samsara, the endless painful cycle of birth, death, and reincarnation. Long ago, Guanyin attained Buddhahood. She apotheosized beyond this world to nirvana. But then she turned back from absolute tranquility and bliss in order to help all transcend suffering. This particular effigy is from Say Tian Hng Singapore, the last effigy carving artisans in Singapore. The origins of the shop dates back to 1896. The scene depicted by this effigy illustrates the legend of the precious scroll of the parrot, 鸚鴿寶撰. It tells the tale of a parrot who becomes a disciple of Guanyin. During the Tang dynasty, a small parrot ventures out to search for its mother's favorite fruit, upon which it's captured by a poacher. You see, parrots were quite popular during the Tang dynasty during that time. When it managed to escape, it found out that its mother had already died. The parrot grieved for its mother and provides her with a proper funeral. It then sets out to become a disciple of Guanyin. Carrying Guanyin's prayer beads, the parrot flying next to Guanyin vowed to forever accompany her after she relieved him of consuming grief resulted from the death of his mother. This parrot has become a symbol of filial piety, an attitude of deep respect towards one's parents and ancestors. These deity statues are created so that we can have perspectives to draw our attention back to the visual evidence that our eyes provide, and the diversity of stories of these deities that add meaning to what we see. The effigies are definitely Singapore's intangible cultural heritage, and artisans such as Madam Tan Trui Lien and Ng Yao Hua are living cultural assets that skills and knowledge need to be documented and handed down onto the next generation of artisans.